My turn, my turn. Oops. Yeah, one of my favorite spots at Spanish Land right there near that buoy thing. Right around that corner right there.
Oh, where that point is, with the rocks?
Yeah. I call it the corner. My friends like to go fish right there. They use dead anchovy, cast it towards the middle where the boat's at. They catch a lot of keep hallie.
Really?
Especially during March, April, May. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I hear that's when they come in the bait.
Spawn.
Yeah, spawn.
Yep.
Yeah. Into the sandy spot. Huh? They get into the sandy spot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh! Come back. Come back. Come on, baby. Come say hello. It was just a little love tap. Aye.
Fish on.
Fish on?
Saw that hook fit.
Oh, yeah, baby. Woo, get him, Zoe.
Not even on the pilot.
They're all around here. Get him, baby. Do I see color? Do I see color? Oh, it's another nice one. Woohoo! Good job, baby.